The WLOTPO Cordless Vacuum for pet hair and carpet is a veritable whirlwind of cleaning power. And it arrives like a knight in shining armor to rescue your floors from the endless battle against dirt and debris. This slender, crimson marvel is not merely a tool. It is a companion, a silent ally in the ongoing struggle to maintain a pristine home. Its powerful suction, like a hungry lion, devours every speck of dust and every stray strand of pet hair, leaving behind a trail of immaculate surfaces. Moreover, its lightweight design makes it feel as if you are wielding a feather, allowing you to glide effortlessly from room to room. And so you can banish clutter with a mere flick of the wrist. Therefore, whether you are tackling a hardwood floor, a plush carpet, or a sleek tile surface, this vacuum performs with unwavering precision, and it leaves no trace of its previous foes. In short, this vacuum cleaner is a testament to both form and function, for it combines aesthetic appeal with an uncompromising commitment to cleanliness. Furthermore, the WLOTPO Cordless Vacuum for pet hair and carpet is a testament to endurance. A marathon runner in the race against mess. With its 35-minute runtime, it provides ample time to clean an entire apartment or a small house on a single charge. And its rechargeable battery is a dependable heart that beats with relentless purpose. Consequently, you will never be caught off guard by a sudden loss of power in the middle of a cleaning session. In addition, this stick vacuum is a chameleon of convenience. Adapting to your every need, it can effortlessly transform from a floor cleaner to a handheld vacuum, allowing you to reach high corners, clean upholstered furniture, and even tidy up your car with incredible ease. Hence, it is not just a vacuum. It is a complete cleaning system, and it is ready to tackle any challenge that comes its way. Subsequently, its versatility ensures that no corner of your home remains untouched by its powerful purifying presence. Ultimately, the WLOTPO Cordless Vacuum for pet hair and carpet stands as a beacon of modern domesticity, a symbol of effortless living. It is a whisper-quiet sentinel that works diligently in the background, freeing you from the noisy, cumbersome machines of the past. And its minimalist design makes it a stylish addition to any home decor. For this reason, you will be proud to display it, rather than hide it away in a closet. However, despite its gentle demeanor, it possesses the strength of a titan, an unstoppable force that makes short work of even the most stubborn messes. Thus, it is a perfect solution for pet owners who are constantly battling against shedding fur and trapped in dirt. Indeed, its powerful performance and user-friendly features make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a satisfying ritual. Therefore, it is more than just a purchase. It is an investment in a cleaner, more tranquil home environment. Pros: lightweight and easy to use, doesn't wear the user out. 2 suction modes for different cleaning needs, easily handles pet hair, crumbs, and dust. Adjustable telescopic tube for height. LED headlights illuminate hidden dirt. Wall mount for easy storage. Battery life is sufficient for cleaning, easy to empty and clean. Quiet operation, good for people with back pain. Reaches tight spots without straining. Glides smoothly across floors. Effective 5-layer filtration system. Great value for money. Reduces risk of tripping on cords. Durable feel and easy to assemble. Suction is strong and powerful. Cons: doesn't vacuum throw rugs, too short, causes user to bend. Dirt collection cup needs to be larger. O-ring needs repositioning, doesn't pick up features. Cordless, rechargeable 35 minutes runtime. For home use, stick vacuum. For hardwood floors. For pet hair, for carpet and tile. The WLOTPO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight, rechargeable stick vacuum designed for home use. It offers powerful suction and a 35-minute runtime, making it suitable for cleaning various surfaces, including hardwood floors, carpets, and tiles, and is effective at picking up pet hair. The WLOTPO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is a lightweight and powerful stick vacuum designed for easy home cleaning. It features 2 suction modes, an adjustable telescopic tube, and LED headlights to effectively handle various debris, including pet hair, dust, and crumbs. The cordless design eliminates the risk of tripping in its quiet operation, along with a smooth glide and the ability to reach tight spots. Makes it a great option for users with back pain. The vacuum also has a 5-layer filtration system, is easy to assemble, and comes with a wall mount for convenient storage. While praised for its strong suction and value, some users noted that it doesn't work well on throw rugs and that the dirt collection cup could be larger.